Hi everyone, how you doing? So I want to talk to you about the importance of cleaning your makeup brushes. Now, if you don't clean your makeup brushes, of course, they're getting the oil from your skin on them, they're getting the product on them, and if you're not cleaning them, if you're not sanitizing them, they're just building up bacteria and dirt, and it's really not good for you to be brushing that over your skin, right? So here I have my Younique kabuki brush. I have my Younique blending brush and my Younique liner shader brush, so it has two sides on this one, and I have the Younique brush cleaner. Now if I'm just going to show you, I'll show you first with the blending brush. I'm just wiping it on a paper towel here. You can see it does get off quite a bit just brushing it, right? Just brushing it dry. But if I spray just one spray on it with the brush cleaner, you can see it gets off so much more, right? So I'm going to do one more spray on it. And we just want to get all of that off so that it's nice and clean. And then I let them dry overnight and they're ready for use again in the morning. So there we go. And that's what came off of it with the brush cleaner. So the brush cleaner is absolutely fantastic for cleaning your brushes. So I'm going to flip this over and I'll do the same thing. So that's my liner and my shader. So it did get off quite a bit dry, right? But we'll just do it this way. You just go until you can't see anything more coming off of it. Just go to clean spots on your paper towel. So you guys can see it's nice and clean now. And the paper towel is dirty. So this is nice and clean for me to use tomorrow morning. And I'm going to put this one aside. I'll get a nice fresh clean one for the kabuki brush. Now the foundation brush, of course, it really sinks in a lot more. So I'm going to again show you, and I'm rubbing in pretty hard. I actually can't see anything that really came off, maybe a little bit right there, but really nothing. But you can it's still on my brush, still there. So we'll just I did 3 sprays. So it's already separating it. You can already see a separation. And that's just a few little rubs, what came off there. So this really is just amazing for helping you clean your brushes, getting them nice and clean again. So I'm going to spray that again because I can still see a little bit on there. So 2 more sprays. And so that's that side. This side's clean, so I'm going to work on that side. And it's still getting quite a bit off here. So that's nice and clean now. And this is my paper towel. So that's a nice way to be able to clean off your brushes, get them from smelling, get them clean, sanitized. So I use the Younique brush cleaner on my Younique kabuki brush, blending brush, and liner shader brush. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.